Okay, this is what your grids CSS assignment should look like. We've got everything here on the page is part of a grid. The heading up here is in a row that spans the entire width of the grid. Then we've got some links over here, and they change appearance as you move over them, and like all our other links, they don't really go anywhere. So this is one grid item. Then this is a grid item that spans from the edge of this all the way over to the right edge of the grid. Same with this one. So we've got 4 rows in our grid here. Here's the first row. Here's the second row. Here's the third row. And here's the fourth row. And this one spans 1 column and 2 rows. And because I used a grid for this, when I change size here, let's okay. So it starts off at kind of a regular screen size for a computer or proportions, and as I shrink it and shrink it and shrink it, eventually I get to a point here where it doesn't look very good in that format, and we stack everything in a vertical grid layout where we've basically got 1 column. This is the first row. This stuff in here, the buttons are the second row. Article 1 is the third row, and then Article 2 is the fourth row, and then our footer with the copyright information is the bottom row. So when it gets, I think it said 600 pixels, but I'm not sure. When it reaches a certain width, though, we're going to change it so that everything stacks, and we're also going to change the background color here at the same time. So that is how your grids web page should look.